Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to be talking about the line graph. The line graph is a graphical representation of our data, and it is used to present our data properly so others can understand it more easily. To make a line graph, it is actually way easier than you think. It is also similar to the previous graphs we have made, like the bar graph and the pie graph. Let's go ahead and start. First, go to the Insert tab and select the data that we are going to use. For this one, we are going to use the same data that we had previously, which is the electricity bill for the whole year. Let's go ahead and select the data. Second, hover your mouse over the Charts menu and look for the line graph. It should look like two zigzag lines intersecting each other. And there we go. Third, click on that icon and go ahead and choose the first thing that we get, which is this one. And there we have it. Now that we have a line graph, it is time to customize it. You can drag it across the screen wherever you like if you want to present it in a way. There we go. We can also repeat the steps that we did on other videos, such as adjusting the size of the line graph itself by dragging its corners inwards or outwards to make it smaller or bigger. There we go. Let's go ahead and change the title to electricity bill by double-clicking or dragging the letters on the title box. And there we have it. Now, if ever you click away from the table, you can easily go back to customizing it by simply just clicking on the table itself. Here we go, and go to Chart Design. Once this interface appears, you can go ahead and change its colors. For now, let's make the line orange. For the chart style itself, we should use a darker shade so that it would be uniform with the other ones that we did. You can go ahead and freely explore whatever chart style you want to use, so go ahead and do that. If you want data to exercise Excel with, go ahead and find free data on google.com. There are tons of free data that we have, so go ahead and explore whatever you want to do. And that is how we make a line graph in Excel. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.